Hi, I'm Diane. I was given this SuperBonsai Super Liver Support in return for this video, so let's talk about it. Now, if you're feeling a little bloated, maybe you feel like you need a cleanse, this is a really great product because everything starts with the liver. And this is going to support your liver and your energy and your immune system. It's got some amazing ingredients in it, just to name a few, like dandelion, ginger, turmeric, yellow dock, chicory, milk thistle, which is one of the top things for your liver, berberine. Those things are going to be awesome. Now, you're going to take 2 full droppers a day, and you can just take them straight under the tongue. It doesn't taste bad at all. You definitely taste a little bit of turmeric. Just giving you a heads up on that, but it's not bad. And you're going to take this daily, and you're going to see results in like 1 to 3 months. Now, if you want to take it under the tongue, you can add it to your morning shake. You can add it to like an orange drink. It would taste really good in an orange drink. It has glass packaging, which is really important. It's BPA free, made in the USA, doctor formulated. It's vegan, non-GMO, sugar-free, no artificial ingredients. So if you're looking for a really great way to help kind of detox yourself, to help kind of cleanse things along, and you're feeling like things are just a little clunky, you've eaten a lot of stuff maybe you shouldn't have, definitely check this product out. It's really, I'm a big believer. Whenever you can take something in a dropper over a pill, definitely recommend it. So check it out.